up? Ryan Certo here, and there's a shark, like, hand vacuum, and, yeah, we're drop testing it.
You just split it in half.
Oh, wait, that's not the battery, that's foam. Alright, this one's gonna be a hard one.
Whoa!
I got the battery out.
Batteries, actually. Whoa, look at all these batteries.
Not, whoa!
And they're almost splitting.
Alright, take those out, throw them out. Whoa, are those like explosive devices?
Oh, we should try and set them off. Oh, I'm kidding.
Oh!
Wow, that got destroyed.
Here's the motor. Hot motor. Bloopers. Might be interesting. So here's the motor, it spins, see, like that, and it sucks up your little dirt. Whoop. Alright, we're done. You ready? Oh.
I was recording.
Hang on, I bent the glasses with it. I just didn't want to do anything else, so it's not chamber time. Ow!
That was so close to your toe.
Try again, I missed. No. And for some extra credit,